Hello, hello, and welcome back to Jilly's Nails. Today we are going to do a Starry Night palm tree look. Not because I don't like other palm tree looks, but I'm kind of tired of the sunset ones. I wanted to try something different. So I am going to play a little bit with I Love Nail Polish, a Cityscape, the Scattered Hollow Top Coat from Hollow Taco, and Storm Cloud from Maniology, which is the darkest gray that I own. Really am starting to like the Hollow Taco toppers. Not a huge fan of the creams, but the toppers I do like. So I went through and used a peel-off base coat first. I was playing around with Cityscape, so I painted the nail black. I was thinking maybe I could stamp black on black, and I chickened out and decided not to try it because it was getting late. So I went ahead and just did Storm Cloud on my other nails, which I'm okay with too, because you know how it is, like especially in summer when you're outside at night and it's dark but you can still see the tree line. That's the kind of look I was going for with the palm trees. So where you can see the stars behind it, but it's dark. So I hope that makes sense. And the more I'm using these Hollow Taco top coats, especially the scattered one, I really like it. The linear one I'm kind of, it's not my favorite, but it's okay. I really do like the scattered though. And I have some of the unicorn flakies, and I like those too. It's kind of funny, somebody got all pissy because I said I like these. Oh, those are expensive. Nah, nah, nah. Okay, I like cheap polishes too, so if they're too expensive for you, you don't have to buy them just because I like them. Are they something I would buy over and over and over? Maybe the scattered one. I'm not so sure on the other ones. So I'm going in with straight up black from Maniology. I picked up the palm trees that are on the new June Mani by Me box plate. That's it, the MXM033. And I really like how this comes out. I know it's simple and cute, but I think it's different. I have personally never seen another Mani like this where it's palm trees at night. There may be one out there, I've just never seen it. So I really kind of like that idea. I think it's something that's a little bit different, that's not as common. You know, it's still in theme, it's still summertime, it's still fun. You could even get a little crazy and maybe whip out some Christmas light ones, or draw little lights, like little Christmas light strings on other nails. I mean, you could do a whole bunch of stuff to make this an overall design. Honestly, it was just late at night and I was getting tired. But you know, you could do part of the nails as the night sky, like it's fading. You could do this as a gradient. There's all kinds of fun things that you could do with that. And then, you know, the whole fun of Hollow is putting that top coat on, because that's what really makes it show up. The I Love Nail Polish one does not show that Hollow very well in indoor lighting, but it is gorgeous in person. Both of these are actually very pretty in person. And I like them better shiny than matte. What do you think? I'm very curious to know what you think on that one. Matte might fit a little better with the nighttime theme, I'm not sure, but I really liked it. And I've reviewed the other Mani by Me box. I've done another review on the plate, so I'll link that up top for you. Let me know if you like it, if you have any questions. I do have one more design I'm going to do this month by request, so look for that in the next week or two. Somewhere in there I'll fit it in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Bye bye.